guys, we are in my bathroom for a review on the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. Now, I have never used a peel before, so basically I'm starting off with cleansed, dry skin, and I'm just going to apply this peel. Now, I do have some active hormonal breakouts going on down here, so I'm just going to avoid those areas. But I'm going to put this all over my cheeks, which are my main problem area, my nose, and my forehead. Now, the hormonal breakouts, I'm sure there are many people that have experienced that with me. So those, those will go away in a week or two. And it seems like it's almost time for it to come back whenever they start going away, doesn't it? This smells nice. I can definitely smell that papaya in there. Now you're just going to want to avoid your eye area. And we are going to leave this on for 10 minutes. And, see what our skin feels like after. So I will be excited to report back to you guys. Alright, so we have got that on. It is 7:55 right now, so I will see you guys back at 8:05. Alright, it is 8:07. I am back. Now, this mask was very gentle. I've had some that have burned and things like that in the past. Now, this one was a little warming, but completely comfortable. Nothing crazy at all. It doesn't feel super dry or tight. Now, I can tell that the product has sunken into my skin. It feels dry, basically, is what I'm saying. It doesn't feel tacky or anything like that. It doesn't feel crunchy, though, either. It feels like a lotion has set into my skin, essentially. So let's wash this off and see what our final results are. Alright, so I just washed that off with lukewarm water per the instructions, and guys, my face feels so smooth, and it feels kind of like cold. I guess because the new skin has surfaced, and it feels just so good. So I am a fan. I'm definitely a fan. It retails for $45, and you're getting 1.6 ounces. So it is a little pricey, but you're using a very, very small amount. And I could see using this, I probably wouldn't use it any more than 2 times a week, because I can tell that this did its job. Okay, it's not one of those products that you put on and you do not feel results. I 200% feel that this did something. So now, whenever I follow this up with my skincare, or if I want to put on a hydrating mask or an anti-aging mask or something like that, I just feel like it would sink in and do more for my skin than it normally would. So I think that this is a great, add-on product to your existing skincare. I would pay $45 for this, and I am somebody that is extremely frugal whenever it comes to anything. I mean, I'm an accountant, so that is just in my nature, is to be objective and to be cheap, essentially. I would pay $45 for this. So that is saying something for me. So anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you, learned something if you were interested in that. It is definitely worth a go. So if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.